Ni mihango ya umomori wa nyumba mwena wa Nkoroi na Merisho County ya Kajiado niguo kuhe mweke wa kiwareria SGR tena ria keri na umomori uyu watabanirio na mbere ya ikari ya guku kuriho migunda yao na kana hadhara ya nyumba iria cia momorirwo.
Hatuoni kama tutalipwa hivi karibuni, ni hivi tu wanatupeleka huku na huku na huku. Lakini wale wote majani zangu wote wameshalipwa hiyo above 10 million.
No giikaro kiria gitabanirio ni kamiti ya migunda NLC na aria marahutirio ni umomori ucio umuthi ni urehire kamwene ni kuria ikari acio thutha wa NLC kuga ati ni kumari hadhara iria marathire mihango iria itanyitwo kwanjiriria muthenya wa rucio.
Yes, the schedules have already been prepared, authorized by myself as the acting director. They are being examined, and before the end of the day they will be approved by the CEO, and the money will start being credited by the bank from tomorrow or the day after.
Na niguo gutigirira o mundu ni ariho hathara aikaria magayanitio ikundi ni ithatu kuria gikundi kia mbere ni kia aria manjitie kuri hau kabere no mihango ino ndiarikiriire. Gia keri aria marihi mao mari thi wa shiringi milioni 10 na gia gatatu ni aria mari na mashira migunda-ini yao.
So we'll sit down, review the valuations. Once we satisfy ourselves that they are in order, we will now liaise with the investigative agencies so that we can give our recommendation, and if there is concurrence, then we can proceed to payment.
Ona kuri uguo mubunge wa Kajiado ya Rugongo Joseph Maje augite ati matikenetio ni giiko gia thirikari gia kumomorera ikari matambite kurihwo guku wa ikari makionania kurarakwo amu makoretwo mereirwo kurihwo kwa ihinda ria miaka 3.
We have agreed with the National Art Commission. Those people should be paid as early as tomorrow. So the money should start hitting the account as tomorrow.
Thaisi tutire ginya ona nguo ni kuheo turaheyo ni maneiba. Tondu tutire na kindu ithu twi nakio. Ithu twakorwo kota na wea tugiuka tuki indo ciothe cito cigikate cigefurushwo riu tutire na kindu.
Thirikari ni ikoretwo ikierekerio njara thutha wa ngucanio cia migunda kwiyumiria wakini wa SGR na kamiti na ningi ni gukoretwo na ndugamano igi marihi ma amwe aria mahutitio ni waki wa reri ino undu uria wacungiriria amwe a maabitha hau kabere ya NLC kuhingurirwo thitango cia ungumania. Oriri ngucanio ithiete na mbere na kwiyumiria gatagati ka aikari ya Ngong aria mahutitio ni umomori wa nyumba riu kamiti ya migunda guku bururi-ini ni iraniire ati ni gukorwo ikimariha hathara. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.